John Timpson. Time for a look at the weather forecast, and Ben is here, and we're going to start quite far away.
Yes, quite far away, Martine. Yes, because obviously, if you've been watching the last couple of days, Matt's been here, and he's been talking about how we're probably not going to get a white Christmas here at home, and we've been thinking, well, where have we had some of the white stuff? And yeah, as you hinted, not here at home. We're going to go far, far away. You're thinking snow. Well, actually, probably not, because we're going south, where it is, of course, summer. We are going to Australia. And have a look at this. Look at where Sydney is and watch what happens on this satellite picture. Look at the way these storm clouds just blossom to life. Thunderstorms, which sparks off and gave a lot of rain, gave some thunder and lightning, some gusty winds, but also, why is he talking about thunder and lightning and gusty winds? Well, we've had some hail.
But it's the summer there.
It is the summer there. Oh, that's the question. That's exactly the question I wanted you to ask, Martine, because it's the summer there. How do you get hail in the summer? Do you know what? Hail is a thing that happens most often in the summer, especially hail as big as this. And you can see what it looked like in Sydney. Watch this picture quite closely, because not everyone was sheltering indoors. Someone out for a run there. But you can see
when it hits you as
yeah,
well.
Exactly. Well, this would hurt when it hits you. Look at how big these hailstones are falling onto the roads, really bad travelling conditions. And we've been having a conversation in the office about how big these hailstones are. You know, people talk about tennis ball-sized hail. They get baseball-sized hail in the USA.
Of course they do.
They do. Of course they do. It has to be bigger. But they, we've kind of come to the conclusion that it's a bit smaller than a tennis ball, a bit bigger than a golf ball. And we were thinking, well, what might it have?
Ball.
What? Sorry?
Snooker ball.
A snooker ball. That was one of the things that came up, but we thought that wasn't very festive. So actually, I've brought a prop.
Oh, look.
You see, it's a small Satsuma.
Oh, a 7.
So just imagine if we froze this small Satsuma.
And threw it.
And threw it at you. I'm not going to throw it at you.
Thank you, that's so kind. Simon McCoy were here, it might be different.
Well,
yeah?
that's exactly what I would do if Simon McCoy, but he's not. And it's exactly what you were saying. The question, why does it happen in the summer? Because to get big hailstones like that, you need one of these. You need a cumulonimbus cloud. We think of them as thunder clouds, but you can almost see there's ice crystals in this cloud. You can see the wispiness. And you've got the ice crystals moving up and down very, very quickly. They sort of bash against each other. The hailstone is allowed to grow, and then when it gets heavy enough, it comes down in a big thunderstorm. So actually, hail is more a summer thing than a winter thing.
But that doesn't help us out with any of the white stuff here.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. I'm going to have to I don't know where I'm going to put the Satsuma now for the rest of the time.
We won't suggest anything.
And then we'll get on with the weather here at home. We've actually had some cumulonimbus clouds here as well, but they're little winter ones, not capable of producing those big hailstones. But we have had some rain, some showers, some thunder and lightning in one or two places. And this is the radar picture. It shows the showery scenario we've got out there at the moment. We've had a little bit of sunshine as well, but you can see these showers racing in from the west. Some of these have been heavy, and through the rest of the afternoon we'll continue to see that sort of downpour dodging weather. You'll be fine and dry 1 minute, the next a big shower cloud will come along and drench you. Quite windy in the south as well. And then through this evening and tonight, it turns dry for a time, the showers fade, but then we see more rain pushing back in from the southwest. And some of this, well, it is going to be on the heavy side. Mild and windy in the south, a little bit chilly across the northeast of Scotland. There could be a touch of frost here, but it's this frontal system that dominates as we go through tomorrow. And notice there's a piece of this frontal system that stretches a long way west, and that is just going to act like a pipeline across the central parts of the UK. So for Northern Ireland, for southern Scotland, northern England, we'll see cloud and patchy rain throughout the day tomorrow. To the south of that, some sunshine, some blustery winds, but it will be mild, 14 degrees. Further north, a little bit cooler, particularly where you have that cloud and patchy rain through the day, but even across northern Scotland where you see some sunshine, those temperatures around 6 to 8 degrees at best. And then as we head into Friday evening, it turns quite windy across the south. We see another clutch of showers pushing in from the west, but the start of the weekend actually looks quite promising. A big travel weekend, of course. It's this area of high pressure, quite a long way away, but notice the way it causes the white lines, the isobars, to bump. It's an area of high pressure, a ridge of high pressure as we call it, that just settles things down for a while. So Saturday, a mainly fine day, spells of sunshine, few showers into the northwest, and those temperatures, what about where they should be at this time of year, 7 to 11 degrees. Sunday brings the chance for some rain, particularly during the first part of the morning. Much of that then clears away, although we might have some residual cloud and patchy rain down towards the southwest. Further north, largely dry, some sunshine, fairly cool in the north, bit milder further south, and then the all-important Christmas period. Well, as we move into the early part of Christmas Eve, this wriggling front might just linger enough to give some rain, but the front then breaks apart. High pressure, which was a long way away, well, it builds its way in across the British Isles, and that means things will be fairly quiet. The forecast for Christmas Day could well bring some frost and some fog in places through the morning, but it should be largely dry. We should see some sunshine, and those temperatures, well, about where they should be for the time of year.